Alright, y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it's worth. Let's get this merch. Subscribe to the PDH Network. Alright, y'all see what's going on here as a young Dolph situation continues. This video right here is for the purpose of young Dolph's sister makes court appearance during Cornelius Smith and Str8 Dropp bond hearing to keep family updated. For those of you who've not been keeping up and not familiar, I'ma tune y'all in, alright? So let's get to it. For those of you who did not know that today, this morning, was Str8 Dropp and Cornelius Smith rescheduled bond hearing, okay? Now, today in court was the first time young Dolph's sister has made a court appearance behind her brother young Dolph being sent up at Makedas Monster Cookies, November the 17th. First, as always, we would like to pay our respects and say rest in peace to young Dolph. Condolences to the family. Shout out to the Paper Route Empire and much love to all my folks in Dolph land. Let's get back to the story at hand. So yeah, man, again, this was young Dolph sister first time appearing at court. We know that he has another sister. Like right now, his family is keeping their distance from making a lot of court appearances. So what they do is they either have their lawyer or they have a Pacific family member go up there like on a low, not really make themselves seen or noticed like that, just so they can understand the magnitude of this whole court case. You feel what I'm saying? And at the same time, see like if anybody that works at Makedas is gonna be attendance to show they support, you know what I'm saying, behind again young Dolph being sent up, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, again, young Dolph's sister made an appearance on behalf of the family to keep them updated. As you guys can see, young Dolph family doesn't like to appear in court, like I just stated to you guys, with all in attendance, because people will create a spectacle around a case. So they would either have one or two family members in attendance or just have their lawyer keep them updated, like I just told y'all, man. And that's the best way for them to have a level mind while this whole, you know what I'm saying, court situation play out, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna let y'all know the reason why they have to stay patient, because even the judge and the lawyers is telling them themselves, based on the evidence and what's going on, this could take a little time, all right? But let's get back to the story. Today, the judge also informed to the sister that trial probably could not happen in 2022 or even 2023. I don't think y'all heard me correctly, so let me repeat myself. Today, the judge also informed to the sister that the trial probably could not happen in 2022, which we're already going on 8 months in, or even 2023. He also stated this could take a while. He also stated this could take a while to be tried in court. You know what I'm saying? Which means it's insane if the case would even go to trial, or the defendants may take a plea deal, or they just may start, you know what I'm saying some things about one another, taking a stand. Like one of the lawyers had pointed out before, they don't know what their clients have in mind. They don't know what the height of their emotions, you know what I'm saying? But based on that, they do understand that when people get in these type of situations, the first thing they do is like take the stand on, you know what I'm saying, the person who was on the case with them. You feel what I'm saying? All right, to kind of like alleviate themselves from getting hit with anything major. You feel what I'm saying? Or should I say major sentencing? You know what I'm saying? All right. So my opinion, they will take the plea, because as we see, they're going to place Str8 Dropp as the main shooter while Cornelius Smith plays his accomplice. Okay. We know that's not the case, because that's not them and those pics floating around. We have the pics when they were first arrested, but no factual proof or ballistics, just hearsay about them coming into Makedas to do that, to do young Dolph. You know what I'm saying? To do what they did to young Dolph. Y'all feel me? All right. Not taking their side. I'm not taking their side. You understand? I just understand they are pawns in this whole chess play, caught between the folks with the bag and the badge. You feel me? Again, I understand the chess play is going on here because they're pawns that just caught between the people with the bag and the badge. You feel me? Yes, Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith were denied bond today due to being a flight risk, which is, again, they have multiple areas where they could label you a flight risk. You know what I'm saying? One of those could be dealing with, this is a high profile capital case or a high profile case in a capital offense case. You know what I'm saying? That they even state, when you have a high profile capital offense case, the likelihood of those two bonding out are unseen. You know what I'm saying? Because again, these people want to make sure that they have everything aligned in order based on who Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith is connected to when it comes to street activity, okay? And also, they want to also understand that you got some people who's being paid to not say anything. You know what I'm saying? So what that does is it just makes it a little longer, the court case play out a little longer, because they understand that some people ain't saying nothing because they got that bag thrown in their face. Y'all feel me? Okay. Now, in the state of Tennessee, under law, everyone is guaranteed a bond, except for, again, like I just told y'all, capital offense case, and some bonds are too high for the suspects to pay. So what the suspects have to do is fight their cases from the inside, which everyone who have done this in the past will tell you it's difficult and stressful because you are literally on an island by yourself. You know what I'm saying? Now, Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith bonds were also denied due to Str8 Dropp having a 24-month sentencing in the feds for not reporting in on his prior offense, which was a grape allegation. You feel me? Not to mention, both suspects are being charged with an M1 and attempted M1 on young Dolph brother who was in Makedas with young Dolph. You know what I'm saying? You got some people saying he was still in the car. You know what I'm saying? You got some people saying, nah, he was in the store. He the one that chased away the third one who was in the back, who really, you know what I'm saying, got young Dolph. It was the third hitter in the back of Makedas, the one who got young Dolph, and that's the one that young Dolph brother, Marcus Thornton, that's the one he had got. So it shows that he wasn't sitting in the car. Like, he was literally in the store with young Dolph. It's just young Dolph was on the side, like where the cakes and cookies is in that little corner area, right? And his, well, should I say it's reversed. Young Dolph brother was by the cookies and cakes and stuff because he was getting his desserts, right? He was getting what he wanted to get, right? You know what I'm saying? Young Dolph already had his chocolate cookies because they know what he want when he come in. So he was already like waiting by the door, basically waiting for his brother to get what he get so they can leave. But at the time when they was about to do that, that's when the white Ben pulls up. Fam hopped out with the blicky. Other dude hopped out with the blicky. And y'all know what happened after that, all right? So again, Justin Johnson, let's get to it now. Justin Johnson was caught in Indiana in January after the wanted reward poster went out that said something like 5,000 if you catch, if you can find this person who was Justin Johnson. And all of a sudden, about a week later, here he come. You know what I'm saying? I would say, my bad. That's a month later because that document paperwork had went out in November. I want to say November 27th. And Justin Johnson, again, was caught in Indiana January the 11th. Okay? All right. Now, Cornelius Smith was captured December in South Haven in the stolen white Benz that pulled up on the scene when young Dolph got sent up. Right now, we can only play the waiting game and maintain patience because this level of chess play that's going on, we really don't know what will happen or who will pop out the blue next. You know what I'm saying? But again, like I told y'all, you know what I'm saying? I know folks wait for young Dolph brother to make a statement. but not until trial if there is one. Hey, but as always, y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it's worth. Let's get this merch. Subscribe to the PDH Network.